Hey guys, welcome to my video. Thanks for being here. I'm sure you're here because you want to know how to make $900 a week on DoorDash. And I'm going to tell you that, but before I do, if you're looking to sign up for DoorDash, check out the link in the description. I have a link down there you can click and then you can sign up for it. Now what that does is gives a little referral fee to me, which is good. But so if you're going to sign up and you found this video helpful, then you can do that. So for a while I've been driving for DoorDash, and I wasn't really making a whole lot. You know, I was doing it for maybe 2 hours in the evening. Sometimes I'd sit there and not get any orders, and it wasn't that good. But I figured out the way that you do it is you got to do like a little bit for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Like it'll be a slow build throughout the day. So if you do like breakfast, and breakfast isn't usually that good, you know that's lower order amounts. You're not going to make as much. But you could definitely get like $20 doing breakfast easily. Then you go over to lunchtime. Get it while, lunchtime's hot, usually between 12 and 2. You could probably make yourself another $40 there, $30 or $40. So now you're up to, what, 60. Then you hit dinner time and do it as long as you can. And then you should be able to bring yourself above that $100 a day mark, which is where you want to be. What I do is think, okay, I'm going to drive every day of the week. You know, I might only have to do it for, 5 hours total a day. Sorry, I got cut off before. Anyway, you may be wondering if doing DoorDash is going to be better because of the coronavirus. A lot of people ordering food and having it delivered. So yes, there's a lot more orders during the coronavirus. However, there's a lot of people that unfortunately have lost their jobs or laid off, or they need to make some extra money. So there's a lot more DoorDashers at the same time. So no, I don't think it's benefited, being a DoorDasher during this time period. However, on the plus side, there'll be orders in hot times like Friday nights, Saturday nights, where they could add up to, they'll give you a hot zone of plus $8.50 an order. So that's going to be where you're going to make a lot of money really quick. You'll get like $15 orders, $15, $16, sometimes $20, just to bring food, to someone's house. So that's really good, but they bump up the additional money per order because they probably are in a bind and need a lot of DoorDashers out on the road. So that is the one benefit to being a dasher during the coronavirus. Hopefully we get through this soon and we don't have to deal with it. It's very sad that so many people are getting sick, and what's the world like now? When will it go back to normal? It will. Just going to take a lot of time, I think. So anyway, another thing to think about is if you want to sign up for DoorDash, you might want to look into Uber Eats and Grubhub as well. What I did was I went on the apps as if I was going to order food, and I tried to find the area where I was located. I tried to find which app had the most restaurants and the popular restaurants. In my area, DoorDash had the most. Uber Eats barely had any. And Grubhub, I didn't look too much into, honestly. I started delivering food with Uber Eats, and then I switched over to DoorDash because it was so much better. So anyway, the key to making $900 or more a week is do it in small increments. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but do a little bit during breakfast, a little bit during lunch, and then try to make over $100 by the end of the day for dinner time. And that's how I do it. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And if you want to sign up for DoorDash, please check the link in the description, and that'll help me out as well. You guys have a great day, and if you do DoorDash, then good luck. I wish you the best.